Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video, I going to show you how you can request user phone number. This phone number. So you can request that to the user, and if the user is accept your request from mini app, then you can access it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that. So let's start. So first of all, I will create a new project, and I am assume that you have already a project. So you are interested to add that section to your project. So basically, that is a really uh, easy thing, and Telegram provide us documentation. Maybe you are here on this video because you are not interested to read that documentation. That's why you found that video. However, so first of all, here you can see I create a project using White, and I select the framework as a React, and language is TypeScript, and you can see now I am interested to install all packages. So if your project is also created by White, so that is a plus point for you. However, so I open that project on my VS Code, and you can see here that is a newly opened project. So if I just go here, open the terminal and try to run that project on development mode, then you can see they not have any link. And if I want to add that link, let's say I want to add that link as a mini app web link. So I have several mini app in my board folder. So let's say that one is the mini app link. If I want to set that link, you can see that link is not acceptable as a mini app link. So I have to do something like I need SSL certificate, and also I need a non-local host URL. So first of all, if you are looking at SSL certificate, then what you have to do? You just have to install a plugin. So you just go on Chrome, and then you have to search White Cert SSL Cert npm. Okay, so you can see something like White plugin mcert. So you just need to install that. Okay, I just go here and I install this one, and then you have to import that plugin, and then finally you need to add your plugin here, mcert. Okay, so now I am done. So if I now just want to do npm run dev, you can see this time I have SSL certificate. Now if I want to add that same link which have that SSL certificate, I think that link is also not acceptable. You can see that again say me that HTTPS is required, but as you can see here, HTTPS is already here. So I have to do something more. Okay, so what is that? So I have to I just write here server and then host, and here I just type true. Now if I restart, that server is automatically restarted. That is a plus point for me, and you can see there have a network link and I can use that. Okay, I just copy that link and paste here. So now this link is set here. So if I just click back to board and click this app, then you can see that app is here and I can do anything that I want to do. Okay, so now our main mission is take the user phone number. Okay, so for taking that phone number, first of all we have to install Telegram packages. So I just go on the documentation, Telegram documentation, Telegram documentation, and yeah, that is Telegram mini app documentation. I just go on the packages, and here you can see SDK and SDK React. So I just go SDK React, and here I can see the packages. Okay, so I am not see the package the function that I needed. So I just go on the Telegram SDK, which is available for all framework. And if I go here, they have something like utilities and they have privacy, and inside the privacy I can see I can request that user phone number. So I have to install that, right? So I just copy that SDK, and then I go and stop my Byte project and I install that packages. That may take some time, so you have to wait. And yeah, you can see that is successfully installed on my White project. So now I just want to run that, and once I restart that White project, then I have to request to get that number. So okay, so first of all, you can see here they have several function, like almost 4 function here. So you can see they have first on the last function, that is tell me this function work the same as request contact complete, but is also return a new raw presentation of contract data from the Telegram client, so its signature could be verified. Okay, so that can be verified. That is the main thing. So if you don't want that, you can simply use that. Okay, so what I just want to first of all, okay, you must read that documentation at first. I provide that documentation link on that video description box. So here you can see, first of all, we have to request, and then we have to take that number. Okay, so first we are going to request. Okay, so I just copy that, and I go on the app.tsx, and here I make a function. Also I can write that code inside a button. So I just write here a button, request. So I write a text inside the button, which is request, and then on click, and here I just write that function. Now I can see I am getting that, and yeah, so they have a async operation. So I just write here is async, and I can do a console log, which is status. Okay, is status. Now if I just open that console log and click request, you can see nothing happened, but I'm also not sure why nothing happened. Okay, so maybe that go on the false, like else statement. So I just do a console log on else statement, not available. Okay, not available. Okay, so now if I click request, you can see not available. That means that function is proven as false. So request phone access is available is false. So why that is false? So that is false because I am not mount that that SDK, like Telegram mini app SDK. So I have to mount that SDK at first. So I go on the initialization, and here you can see they have something like init, which is a function. So by calling this function, the package global dependency will be configured and package become ready to use. Okay, so I go on the main.tsx, and here I call that init. Okay, so is there have any more configuration? Okay, user tips, initialize SDK. Okay. Maybe I don't have to do anything more. So, however, I just go here and hey, buddy, I am not interested to open React documentation. Refresh. Now request, and this time you can see that is ask me, do you want to share your phone number with this bot? I just click yes, and you can see that is still me sent. Okay, so now here you can see I share my phone number. So the next thing, I want my phone number. I want my user phone number. Okay, so this time I request contact. Okay, here I request phone access, and this time I request contract. Okay, so I just copy that, and I go here. Here I create a new button, which is contact. Okay, contact, and here I make another on click listener, and I call that. Here I have to import that. That is also a async operation, and I have to run here contact this one. Okay, so now So now I just want to open that, and if I click contact, you can see that again asks me the same permission. And if I click share, you can see this time there have something like all data, okay, where have that time, current time, and then there have a contact where I have my first name, my user ID, and my phone number. If you want to verify, that is end on 114, and if you want to verify that number, okay, you can see 114. So basically that is not my phone number, that is I buy that phone number from uh, a virtual site, so that is not my phone number, so don't call on this number. However, so now if you are interested to do anything with that phone number, like you want to store that phone number, so later on you can do marketing, or you want that user information, like you have a tax where user need to provide his phone number, so you can verify that is a real user or not real user, this kind of something, so you can proceed with this operation. So I think that maybe help you to collect user phone number, and maybe you don't know how to take that user phone number, so that video may help you. So if you like that video, please if you like that video, then please like that video also and subscribe the channel. And if you are interested to build your dream mini app but you are not a programmer, then you can contact me on my Telegram. I am there to build your dream mini app in a very affordable price. So thank you. Till then, take care.